After weeks of browsing, I decided to give in to the hype and order a Cozey sofa. I'd seen the ads everywhere, and the Cozey modular designs looked too good to pass up. Here's my honest breakdown after a few months of use. Pros: comfort. Honestly, this sofa is a cloud. The cushions are deep and sink in soft, yet surprisingly supportive. I've spent whole afternoons curled up here, and I never feel stiff or sore afterward. Modularity. The fact I can mix and match pieces is awesome. We started with just the love seat, but when a friend moved in, we easily added a seat to make it a 3-seater. Easy assembly. The boxes were surprisingly manageable, and putting the sofa together was a breeze. It's great not having to deal with complicated setups. Style. The design is simple but stylish, and their fabric options worked beautifully in my living room. Cons. Price. Cozey sofas aren't the cheapest option out there. You get quality, but it does come at a cost. Low profile. The sofa has a low-to-the-ground feel, which some people might not like. If you have trouble getting up and down, that's worth considering. Staining. The fabric is stain-resistant, but not stain-proof. I have a messy toddler, so it does show some marks. Thankfully, the cushion covers come off for washing. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.